Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reverse your starting location and your destination in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the create a route plan button, and to reverse the locations you obviously need to set a starting location and the destination as well. And then by clicking on the reverse button, as you can see, it switches between the starting location and the destination. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.